Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Apple Music app crashing. So if your Apple Music app is closing unexpectedly or freezing on startup, in this video you will learn how to fix the Apple Music app crashing issues with the most effective solutions from the new 2026 update. So first of all, what you should do is you should be sure that your app is up to date. And to check that, you have to go to the App Store. After that, click on your picture and go to check if your Apple Music needs to have an update. So if you don't need an update and your app is up to date, you can do another thing. You can go to Settings, and after that, you can go to General and go to the iPhone storage. Wait for the apps to be open, and after that go and click on search and look for music. And here what you can do is offload your app. By offloading your app, that means you will delete the data of your app and the app will remain there, but if you want to install it, to use it again, you have to install it. So your iPhone will almost delete all the data related to that app. And if that also is not working, you have to delete the app and install it again, and you can delete the app from the same place, from here. And after that, you can go to the App Store and install it again. And if this also is not working, you can check if your iPhone needs an update. So you have to update all of your iPhone. So if you want to do that, you have to go to like your settings, general and software update, and check if there is an update for your iPhone. And if the problem is still persisting, is still there, maybe you need to wait for the next iOS update, for the next update of your phone. And I'm pretty sure that one of these solutions will work for you, because those are all the possible solutions for fixing Apple Music app from crashing. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.